Hi everyone, today I'm showing you my clay mask for hair that will help with dandruff and greasy hair. So today I will use this clay mask pre-shampoo treatment by L'Oreal. So here is the texture. It's really like a really normal clay mask, but it's really for the hair. So first of all, I'm gonna start by taking off my braids and to show you my hair before I apply this clay mask. Now this clay mask is gonna be linked in the description box if you want to get it for yourself. So as you can see, my hair are pretty shiny, so they're pretty greasy because it's been 2 days. I had this hairstyle on and you can see there is some dandruff, not too much, but there is some. So now I'm just gonna comb out my hair and just make sure to get my hair ready to apply this mask. I will be applying this clay mask by section, so I'm just gonna start off by this bottom. So I'm just gonna tie this top. Then I'm gonna wet that section with a spray water, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle my hair with my fingers just to make sure that when I apply the clay mask, all the products is gonna be penetrating all my hair, especially my roots. And so right now I'm just simply gonna add some clay masks, not too much, but I'm really gonna try to go in on the roots mostly and then on the length to make sure that all the remaining product on my hair is gone when I shower after. So now I'm just going to show you all the way through the end how I applied this clay mask, and I'm just going to speed it up so you don't have to skip the video. If you're not subscribed yet, it's probably the time for you to get subscribed now. So right now I'm almost done, and as you can see, my curls are already popping with this clay mask, and you can see that it's really working through my hair compared to the side where I don't have any of the mask. So yeah, right now I'm done applying the hair mask to my hair, and then I'm just gonna let it dry and get it a bit hard for about 30 to 45 minutes. People usually leave it on for 20 minutes, but I like an extra thing for my hair, so I just leave it on for longer. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair and condition my hair and come back to apply my lotion after. So here, as you can see, my hair are dry. I didn't apply anything after my conditioner, and so you can see I don't have any more dandruff or any white stuff in my hair, and you can see that they're not greasy, and my hair are actually feeling very soft. So right now what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna apply a lotion for my curls, which is actually by L'Oreal too. So I'm gonna put a few pumps there, and then I'm just simply gonna apply it to my hair just to hydrate them and then to show you how my hair are and how soft they are and the curl how they're coming really nicely. So I really like this hair mask. It's really refreshing and I try to do it at least once a week just to give it a little pump to my hair and have some more health to my hair. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!